DONGGEUBSAENG. DONGGEUBSAENG. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about DONGGEUBSAENG. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 347. DONGGEUBSAENG. Again, it's DONGGEUBSAENG. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is dong, second syllable is gup, and third syllable is seng. Pronounce it with me. DONGGEUBSAENG. DONGGEUBSAENG. The meaning of the word DONGGEUBSAENG is same grade level or same level. So this could also be used to say classmates. Now, how do we write DONGGEUBSAENG in Hangul? This is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable, dong, we need to draw first a dikut character followed by an o character followed by an iyang character. For the second syllable, gup, we need to draw first a giyok character followed by an character followed by a biup character. And then for the last syllable, seng, we need to draw first a siot character followed by an character followed by an iyang character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word DONGGEUBSAENG. And with that, you've just learned DONGGEUBSAENG. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 337 to 346. But don't forget our word for today, word number 347, it's DONGGEUBSAENG, which means same level or classmate. The first word for our review is word number 346, it's achim siksa, which means breakfast. Next word is chandi, which means grass. Next word is chomshim, which means lunch. Next word for our review is chorom, which is used to say like. Next word is otte, which is used to say what do you think or how is something. Next word is orenji, which means orange. Next word is tasot, which means number 5. Next word is porasek, which means purple color. Next word is peu, which means actor. And the last word for our review is word number 337, it's yorisa, which means chef or cook. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.